Anisha, where are you going next?
I am going somewhere, beta.
Where?
Somewhere in Asia.
Can I join you for your trips?
You can join me for my trips, but only if you do your homework.
Okay.
Welcome to Thailand. I will be traveling for the next 16 days across this beautiful country and I will be capturing places like Krabi, Phuket, Phi Phi and so on. In this video, I'm going to show you my journey from Mumbai to Krabi, and if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section. But do like this video and subscribe to my channel to know more about this beautiful country, and there is a lot of content that is upcoming. It's approximately 2 a.m. At the Mumbai airport, and I am waiting for my flight to Krabi. And as you all know, this is a family trip. And it's very special because for my parents it's their first international trip. So if you are an Indian citizen, make sure that you fill out the Thailand digital arrival card 3 days before your departure to this country. And I would be exploring solo for the next 10 days. So my trip was originally going to be for 20 days approx, but now it's cut short to 17 to 18 days, which is fine because sometimes you just have to accommodate certain things. In Thailand, you need to say Swadikha. Swadikha means hello.
Swadikha means
Swadikha means hello. Kapunkha means thank you.
Swadikha, hello. Kapunkha, thank you.
Yes. It's 10:15 in the morning and we have arrived in Thailand in Krabi. So right now I'm going to go clear immigration and then probably catch a cab or maybe a bus and head to my hotel.
Hit that bass line nice and slow. Ooh, yeah. Talk box singing, let the rhythm flow. Palm trees swaying, do you feel that breeze? Rolling down the boulevard, feeling at ease. Cruising.
It's about 3 p.m. We've had our lunch. Dad and mom, they both are very tired because they didn't get much sleep at night. So they're kind of resting in the hotel, and I have come to take a foot massage because I really needed one. So it's time for some pampering, and it costs about 200 baht for 30 minutes and 300 baht for 60 minutes. So obviously if you guys are multiple number of people, you can definitely bargain with them, but yeah, it's a good deal, I feel. It's evening now, and we've set out to go and visit the Aonang beach. I hope I get to witness sunset there. Some of the locals mentioned that there would be a fire show at 6:30. So I'm headed there and I will show you guys exactly what the place looks like.
Breathe it in, let the waves decide. Street lights flicker, a Morse code plea. Whispers rise from the cracks in the street.
What I'm noticing here is there's a lot of Indian food options available. So just in case if anyone is craving Indian food, yes, there are plenty of restaurants around here selling chai samosas, dosa an Indian thali. But I'm not someone who would eat Indian food in another country. But just in case anybody is not comfortable with Thai food, they can have Indian food here. So I'm finally at the Ao Nang beach, and let me show you how beautiful this beach is. It is actually mesmerizing because I'm loving the sunset. The water isn't that blue I thought it would be, but it isn't. And there is going to be a fire show at 6:30, so which is why people are waiting here. So we're gonna watch that as well. And then we will head out to the night market for some dinner and some shopping.
Concrete drains where the neon glows. Every block tells a tale the whole city knows. Rhythms in the
There are so many cute and amazing things available for shopping here. So I ended up buying candle set, and I also got this incense stick. I mean, how cool is this? I also got these cones, incense cones as well, and got some of the things for my friends. There are also these personalized soap in the shape of flower. You can see in the shape of a mango. We're finally going to ride inside the tuk-tuk.
palm trees swaying with the ocean as my guide. Top down riding, let the West Coast vibes collide. Corner store stops, grab a drink, it's all good.
So I'm getting some corn cheese potato for my mom because she is very reluctant to have any sort of non-vegetarian food here because of the smell, I believe. But let me show you what these guys are making, and it looks so interesting. Getting some of these chicken skewers. Medium spicy.
I've got some good food on my plate. I'm starting with some Singha beer. It's the original Thai beer that you get here, and it's damn cheap. 60 baht. Extremely cheap. It's good. Also, what I've got are 100 baht dumplings. These are